Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to continue our Typer video series and we are going to talk about commands. So commands require a little bit different syntax and I'm going to show you how you can create your own commands. So now what we would like to do is to create our app from Typer and Typer, and we have to use the app.command as a decorator for functions. So for example, let's create an update command and let's create an upgrade command and let's create a reboot command, and inside the if name equals main, we would just simply call the app and that's it. So basically commands are going to give you better flexibility as to what you can do with your Typer CLI, and commands also take CLI arguments and CLI options. So for example, let's create the first one. This is a simple command without arguments or options. Typer echo. This will update the system. And let's just take it for a test drive. So the first thing that you will notice is how different the help menu becomes. So now you have this list which shows you the functions which are decorated by the app command decorator. And for example, if I call the update, as you can see, this didn't have any kind of arguments and basically did what it was supposed to do. I mean print the message. Now let's create an argument. So system colon string and the system will be upgraded. Let's go back, see the help function, and let's upgrade help. Now it shows us the help for the specific decorated command, and we have a required argument which is system. So let's give this localhost, and as you can see, the print message is there. Now if we want, we can give it a default value, and this way it will become an optional argument. And let's do this localhost. And now if we run the command, you see that it runs without any problems. Now what we can also do is to go ahead and create the option. So let's give it a system string typer dot option dot help equals the system that you would like to reboot, and typer dot echo the system will be restarted, and let's save it. Let's see what the reboots help has to say for us. Now, if we provide the system localhost, we get back the message. It is a required option, so if I don't provide it, you see that this is going to be welcoming me. And what we can also do is to create technically a callback function, and this callback function is going to be used, and it has to be specified. So def callback, and we are going to simply echo this is the callback function in action. And what we can do is to basically add it as an argument to our typer instance. So callback is callback. And now if I run the update, as you can see, the callback function is what run before the definitions in my update function. And that was one way to define it. And technically, it was all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.